Now, this is shrimp head. After we clean, we have to deep fry to make shrimp oil. You can use the shrimp oil for pad thai, for fried rice, and put on top the tom yum. Okay, how to deep fry the shrimp head? When you use the oil, just the oil like a cover the shrimp head when you deep fry. This the oil like a half a cup, maybe not half a cup, depends on how much you have the shrimp head. Just to cover the shrimp head. And oil not hot yet. Low fire. And then I put the shrimp head like this. You can put the shrimp head in the oil not too hot. If you put the shrimp head in the hot oil, the oil has spat to go everywhere and you cannot control. After when you put the shrimp head in oil not too hot, and then oil get hot, you can see they change the color. And after that, when they change color, they have more aroma. When you deep fry the shrimp head, don't put in the shrimp head in the hot oil, okay? And then maybe outside they burn, the inside not cooked yet. That's how to deep fry. You can see when the oil get hot, they also the head, they change the color. That one have the oil also have more color, and the shrimp head change color. And I have to give you the technique. When it's oil boiling very hot, you have to low heat again and let them deep fry, because this outside start to cook already. Then you want to also shrimp heads more crispy. Everything when you deep fry, you want to everything more crispy outside, the inside more tender to cook. Then oil too hot boiling. Now you can reduce the heat, the oil, reduce the heat to make oil not too hot, and then the deep fry the shrimp heads more crispy. Okay, this was shrimp head. When you deep fry until that's more crispy, then you can move the shrimp head to another side for rinse the oil. Then you have this shrimp oil, turn off the heat. So the shrimp head, in the shrimp head you add a little bit salt. Now you have shrimp oil. This from you deep fry the shrimp head. And then I have to make the shrimp oil have more color. This is shrimp oil. How to make shrimp oil have more color? This, you remember, tom yum chili paste. And then I put oil from tom yum chili paste. This shrimp oil from tom yum chili paste, you mix with in the shrimp oil. See this. And then shrimp oil have more color. When you use for pad thai, they have more color. And then next one, shrimp oil have a color from the chili. You can use for fried rice. You can use for everything. See that? Don't need to put ketchup.